Have you ever wondered what lies beneath our feet? It's a world teeming with life and mystery right under the surface. The human element is the surface layer where we live, where we build our homes and cities, and where we grow our food. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. Let's go deeper. Beneath the surface we find life. Underneath our feet, natural tunnels serve as the home for bats, providing them with the ideal conditions for hibernation without the disturbance of light, noise, and predators. However, they are not alone in these environments. Ghostly albino bugs, devoid of the need for eyes in the pitch-black underground, share this habitat. As we venture deeper, we uncover the soil rich with valuable resources, the very substances that fuel our modern lives and propel our economies forward. Think of coal, a fossil fuel that has been a significant energy source for centuries, or oil, the lifeblood of the modern world, fueling our cars, heating our homes, and even contributing to the production of everyday items like plastics and cosmetics. As we delve deeper, we discover trapped water, also known as groundwater. The hot water, confined since the planet's formation, releases microscopic minerals as it flows. This groundwater can play a role in the transportation and deposition of gold, the symbol of wealth and prosperity since time immemorial. Extracting these resources from this depth is no easy feat, but the crust of our planet isn't just about resources. Here, next to the gold, live the deepest living animals on the planet, the devil's worms. This nematode species has evolved to withstand extreme heat and crushing pressure, making it the first multicellular organism discovered at such profound subsurface levels. Our planet crust is also a key player in the Earth's tectonic activity. The crust, along with the upper portion of the mantle, forms what's known as the lithosphere. These vast lithospheric plates move, albeit very slowly, driven by the heat currents in the underlying mantle. This interaction causes earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, and the formation of mountain ranges, shaping and reshaping the Earth's surface over millions of years. So our Earth's crust, it's more than just a rocky shell. As we drill deeper, we discover a world more fascinating and complex. Next up, we plunge into the Earth's mantle. The mantle, the largest layer of the Earth, is a thick rocky shell accounting for a whopping 84% of our planet's total volume. This isn't just any rock, mind you, this is peridotite, a dense greenish rock rich in minerals. It's the birthplace of some of our most beloved gemstones. Deep within this layer, under immense pressure and heat, beautiful sapphires, rubies and emeralds are being formed. It's like a treasure chest, locked away beneath our feet. But the mantle isn't just a gem factory, it's a dynamic, constantly moving layer of semi-solid rock. It's not stationary, not by a long shot. It convects, it churns. The mantle, in its slow, relentless motion, shapes the very face of our planet. Now, if you're thinking the mantle is pretty hot, the further down you go, the hotter it gets. At the boundary where the mantle meets the outer core, temperatures can reach a staggering 4,000 degrees Celsius. The mantle, a layer of searing, swirling rock, hidden beneath miles of crust. A world of gemstone creation, tectonic motion, and extreme heat. The mantle is a hotbed of activity, but it's nothing compared to what's next. Brace yourself as we journey into the Earth's outer core. In the heart of our planet, beneath the mantle, we find the spectacular outer core. This isn't a place for the faint of heart. Imagine a sea, but not of water. This sea is of molten metal, primarily iron and nickel, swirling in a tumultuous dance. This metallic ocean spans a staggering radius of about 2,200 kilometers. The temperatures here are unfathomable, ranging from 4,000 to 5,000 degrees Celsius. To put that into perspective, the sun's surface is 5,600 degrees Celsius. You heard that right, the Earth's outer core is hot, almost like the surface of the sun. A bit surprising, isn't it? But remember, we are journeying to the heart of our planet, where the laws of the universe seem to bend and twist in fantastic ways. Molten metals are in constant motion. And this movement, this ceaseless churning and swirling, generates something we're all familiar with: Earth's magnetic field. It's responsible for the beautiful auroras at the poles, guiding migratory birds and ensuring our compasses point north. In other words, without the outer core's ceaseless activity, life as we know it would be fundamentally different. This molten sea of iron and nickel, it's not just a layer of the Earth, it's a dynamic, life-sustaining force. The outer core is hot and volatile, but we're about to hit the planet's hottest spot. Finally, we arrive at the Earth's inner core, the heart of our planet, the last stop on our journey. This is the sphere at the center of it all, a place of unimaginable intense heat and pressure. The inner core is primarily composed of iron, alloyed with a dash of nickel and other elements. But why isn't it molten like the outer core? The answer lies in the immense pressure that this core is under. Even though the temperature here reaches a scorching 5,000 degrees Celsius, the pressure is so intense, about 3 million times the atmospheric pressure at sea level, that it forces the core to remain solid. Let's put that into perspective. Imagine the sun as a solid object. The core of the Earth is as hot as the surface of the sun, yet it remains solid, not because it's cooler, but because of the sheer pressure it's under. Astonishing, isn't it? This pressure, this unfathomable force, does more than just keep the core solid. It's responsible for creating some of the most beautiful things we treasure on the surface. Diamonds, those lustrous gems, are formed deep within the Earth under conditions of high heat and pressure. It's a powerhouse, a guardian, and a creator, all rolled into one. So we've journeyed from the Earth's surface to its core, diving through layers of complexity and wonder. We've journeyed from the Earth's surface to its core, uncovering a world that's as fascinating as it is diverse. From the surface to the core, every layer of the Earth holds its unique wonders. We've embarked on a daring journey, a descent into the very heart of our planet, encountering life in the most unexpected places. There's still a lot to discover about our planet, but one thing's for sure, the world beneath our feet is every bit as fascinating as the world above. And the truth is, there is a vast and mysterious world waiting to be uncovered beneath our very feet. Humanity has ventured to great depths in search of treasures and knowledge. If you're curious to see just how far we have reached, click on the next video.